Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome to Elliott Wave Master Live Trading Channel. This is August 25th. Market's already open. Let's get our disclaimer out of the way. So, any views expressed in this channel, Elliott Wave Master YouTube channel, those of the author only. Any communication is for informational discussion and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, nor is it an incentive to invest or an offer to buy or sell futures commodities or a solicitation to buy or sell any investment product / asset classification, any jurisdiction. Any views, valuations, if ever expressed or quoted, buy or sell trades are only estimates and are subject to change. All investment ideas discussed in this channel may involve high risk and there's a possibility of total loss, or the losses may exceed the amount invested. It is the sole responsibility of the viewer to ensure that he or she complies with all applicable laws and regulations. Elliott Wave Master Channel is not a licensed investment advisor or a commodity trading advisor, nor is it licensed as such in any federal or state regulatory agency. Investors and traders are responsible for their own investment / trading decisions, including entries, exits, and the use of stops. The author is not responsible for any loss or damage arising from or in connection with any use of any information from this channel. So if you follow our trades, you're following at your own risk. Always use stops. Okay, that's out of the way. Okay, let's see what's going on. So it looks like fix this chart. Okay, so we opened up with a gap to the downside, and we did a momentum impulsive wave to the upside. Actually not, because wave 3 is shorter than wave 5, so no. It looked at first like it was, and as I was waiting to go live, I actually put these wave 5, yeah, it looked at first like it was a momentum wave, so it would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, it could still be if you finish it here, but then it keeps on going, and from here to here is longer than from here to here. So it's looking more like a diagonal, but yesterday it looked like we finished on a wave 5. So this is 4, this is 5 truncated, and then we did a correction, and this is the overnight, so I'm not going to comment on that, but we could be doing a flat now. So wave B on a flat is always going to be longer than A. So let's see how this finishes right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out of the way. We don't need these, because even if it was a wave 5, it already reached target. We have a bunch of support and resistance. I'm still going to leave this support area because it's quite large. I will not remove it until we cross it. It looks like the low of the overnight was 55, so it's still held. So we have our gap closure line, which is right here, and then we have resistance starting at 1880.9. Alright, let's see where a wave C to the upside will finish. So we have these targets right here. What color is C again? I forgot. C is navy. Let's do navy. Oh. Okay, so I will not take a long until we cross B. I'm sorry, I will not take a short until we cross wave B or wave A, or B if this is a flat. And it's looking like a flat. So I got my ATM strategies all set. Market is negative 12. The rest of the markets are all negative also, except for bonds and notes. Everything else is negative. Oops. Get this phone out of the way here. All right. Let's see if we could do a wave 1. Maybe we could be on a wave 1. No, not a wave 1 yet. Wave 1 would, it's below this right here. Let me see if I could do a wave 1 from starting from here. Okay, so numbers. Oh, here we go. We may have a short opportunity here. I have my finger on the ask. Ready to go short. But actually, I'm going to wait until we clear. Oops. My mouse is kind of wobbly. Okay, so here's wave 1. So if we're going to go short, we need to go short at 61.5. Alright, I think I may need a new battery here. Maybe it's the battery. Oh, could be a long opportunity right here, guys. It's bouncing off. Is that better? Yeah, that's better. Not really, but alright. This could be a long opportunity right here. I'm gonna go for a quick long.
Order filled.
Turn that sound down a little bit. and target's gonna be right here. I'm getting out. What? Oh man, okay. Go up, go up, go up.
Stop filled.
Alright, stop filled. We're 110 positive. But target is at 67.3. Let's see on the 1 minute. Okay, so it did not reach wave 1, so I'm just going for a ABC correction, not a motive wave, not impulsive wave. So target is actually here. And it changed because of this second wave here. But it could also go as high as, so this could actually be a wave 3 also, and I'll show you why in 1 second. Let me just do these targets real quick. So maybe this is 1, 2, 3 up. Okay. Or 1, 2. Let me see the 2. Hold on. We need to figure out where a 2 would be. So 2. Okay, yeah, it could fall into 2. So this is where 2 would be. I'm gonna move this 1 out of there. So 1 would have been here. All right. So it hit 2. Okay, we may have another long opportunity, and I'm gonna go long from here. Come on. All right.
Order submitted.
Okay. So I'm only gonna go long after this pivot, right? Because now we could be doing, God, what's wrong with this mouse? It's just, it feels heavy. I have dropped it so many times, it's probably ruined. I may need a new one. So like it's sticking. Okay, so we are at max at 2. If this is a wave 2 to go up. Let me plot it, but it looks like we are max. Yeah, we passed it actually. Okay, so this is not a wave 2 anymore. So this is more like a flat. We're going sideways. Okay, so we could eliminate all of this. And there's the proof on the pudding right there. We're going lower. I'm going to cancel
Order
this.
canceled.
So maybe that wave 1 is more valid. Let's do a wave 1. I'm gonna go from here. So I'll plot 2 wave 1s. Okay. I'm gonna leave this wave 2 here as just, no, I don't need it. So this here, I'm going to leave this as a wave 1 or a C. Okay, so we just hit wave 1. So now if this is wave 1, so then we're going to do a 2 and then a 3 or an ABC down. Let's plot a wave 2. So wave 2 is going to be up, right? And this is wave 2. Okay, so we don't know if we're going up or down yet. Okay, so it cleared that. So maybe it's going to wave 1 here. So I'm going to move the C. We don't need that. Safe to say we don't need a wave 2. We don't need this. So I cleared 1 here, so we don't need this. Alright. We could take a scalp here. I'm going to go for a short little scalp.
Order filled.
10 ticks. All right. So we could have a little resistance from this pivot right here, but resistance would be right at our target. NQ is sideways, but it's trying to go south. YM also, and there's actually a sell opportunity on ES. CL is going south. Come on. and give myself a little more room just right above this pivot right here. Come on, keep going, keep going. That was close. I'm gonna move.
Target filled.
All right, target filled. Okay, we're up 210. Okay, so it's almost cleared. Resistant. Okay, so now we are at 1. So I'm ready to buy. I'm gonna plot a wave 2 to the upside. So we are looking for correction, right? So 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Could this be a 4? So this, yeah. So we may have done a maximum 5. Alright, we have some money in the bank, so we could take a stab at going long. Let's see what the bears are doing. I am seeing some buying volume. Rest of the markets are going up. NQ is trying to go north now. Okay. Glad I wouldn't take that. Alright, so we're going for something else here. That's not valid anymore. Okay, I have no idea. Okay, so maybe this was not 4. Alright, so let's see. Let me do a wave 5 here. Let's see where max wave 5 would be. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on, move this out of the way. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we already passed it. Maximum 5 would be right here. One, 2. Right, I don't recognize any of this. So Elliott wave principle. If you don't recognize a wave pattern, what do? Nothing. So this does look like a end of a 5, but unless this is the end of 3, could be. So it would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's more like it. Okay, so if this is a 5, if we are on a wave 5, we just reached first target of 5. So first target of 5 is here. Second is at 55, and third max is 53.4. So it would be a good place to go for. Ooh, keeps going. All right, I'm going quick
Order filled.
and I'm only gonna go for.
Target filled.
That's it. Quickie. Sorry if I was too quick, but I'm here to trade. It's my own money, so I'm sorry if sometimes there's no heads up, but this is not fake. All right, we're up 310. Okay, this could be another opportunity to go long. It looks like it did a wave 2 already. But I'm gonna wait. So we do have another support area inside of this support area. So this one right here, okay? All right. Let me do a wave B for you guys. So if we are on a correction, wave B is right here. So we did hit wave B. So wave C would be right there or right here. It could be a good idea to go long. This is too small of a wave. I'm not gonna go for it, but it could be a good one. So maximum, it just hit maximum. Let's see how it reacts. It's bouncing. It could do a zigzag, go for another 2 and back up. Or which would be awesome, we could do a wave 2. Whoops. Or we could do a wave 2 from here. Boom. And this is where wave 2 would be. That's wave 2. So wave 2 and B, they only do a 1, 2, 3 or ABC. But we could do a double or triple zigzag. All right, it just hit wave 2 if it's going to do another zigzag. So I'm going to go long from here if it decides to go long.
Order submitted.
That's wave 2. Okay, I'm going to take a stab
Order filled.
at this right here, and I'm going to go to target. Let's see. I'm gonna go a little short on the target. This could be a mistake, but I have 310 to play with. This will clear me out if it goes the opposite. And I think we have, wow, great opportunity to go long on ES. So this could help us out. All right, we only have 3 more days left in the month. Incredible month. We didn't trade every day, but we only had 2 negative days. Oh, so supposed to get my new computer yesterday. It arrived, but arrived with issues. So I'm still using the old one. Now I have a new one in the box that I'm waiting for my new one to return. To arrive so I could return it. Freaking mess. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, we're gonna reach. So now we are in a resistant area from these pivots right here. Could be a good idea to bring our stop up. I'm gonna bring it right there. Oh, we almost got filled, huh? Oh man, 1 tick away. Go, go, go. I'm gonna lower this. I want out. Oh no, come on.
Target filled.
Yes. Yes. All right, we're up 550. Okay. Okay, let's see how it reacts inside of. So it could be a wave B or a wave 2. So let's plot a C. So if we are, the C would be all the way down. Woo! That would be awesome. So, as they say, the trend is your friend. So market is negative. So going short to these targets wouldn't be a bad idea. But I wouldn't feel comfortable until, yeah, I wouldn't go short now. We could risk it and put our stop all the way here. Yeah, I'm gonna go short. Let's see.
Order filled.
All right, I got some money to play with. This is very risky. This is an advanced trade. Very risky. And we're seeing why. There it is, going north. All right. Rest of the markets are going north also, so we may get stopped out here. All right. We're gonna lose close to 300 on this. Yeah, anticipated this. I shouldn't have done that. All right. We still got a chance. I'm gonna move it 1 tick above a candle. The wrong chart. So I'm looking at my 1 minute chart here, which I could see candles. All right. Okay, so if it comes down, it's gonna come down. Let's go to target. since I'm taking such a big risk, I'll take a big risk on target also. We don't need this anymore. That's done. Are you guys able to see everything? All right, we need the minis to start dropping. CL's trying to drop a little bit, but everything else is going north. Yeah, we're in trouble. Okay, so this is not a wave 2, and we're gonna get taken out. Bummer. All right, we'll be down to 200. Yeah, I should have waited until.
Stop filled.
Yeah, bummer. Okay, we'll just look for another opportunity. We're positive 220. Oh, now it wants to come down. Oh my God, no way. And all the rest of the markets are also looking to do a correction. You're kidding me. All right, I'm gonna go short from here. What a bummer.
Order submitted.
Okay, we're seeing more. We're still seeing more pressure to the upside, but YM is still trying to drop, and it's bringing NQ and ES down with it. Yeah, I anticipated that trade. Man, that was a bad one. But hey, if you don't take a chance, you don't make money. All right, on to the next trade. Okay, so what could we be seeing here? Let's plot a wave 1 to the upside. Wave 1 would be way up. So this is where wave 1 would be if we are doing a wave 1. Okay, but I wouldn't take a wave 1 until we cleared any of these pivots here. I'm gonna cancel this in case I decide to make a trade.
Order canceled.
Alright, wave 1 is magenta. Okay, so a wave 1, so it would mean that wave 1, 2, 3 up. So then this would mean that all of this was all corrective. So none of this would have been a impulsive wave. Just going to put that aside. Rest of the markets are also going north again. This could just be a little ABC. Alright, if we clear this, I'm going north. Oh, come on.
Order filled.
Let's go. Let's go. I need to make this money back. All right, if we hit target, we'll be up 100 from this loss that we just had. All right, connection is good. Actually, there's always a delay. I wonder if that is normal. I think it's about a second or two. Let me see. I'm gonna turn my head. No, it's more. It's a lot more. It's probably about 30 seconds delay. Wow. So live is not actually live. Okay. Here we go. So that's not good then. I gotta do a little research. Maybe it is live, I don't know. I mean, I've logged on with my phone before and it seemed like it was live, but I'm seeing. I don't know. Okay, here we go. All right. Come on, target. Here we go. Bulls are trying to come back. No big block buys or sells today, at least not yet. A couple big bars, but nothing crazy. Momentum has changed to neutral. Alright, so gold is definitely following the minis. Minis are dropping a little bit. So is crude, and gold is following. You guys hear about that $1 billion fine on oh, come on. On Goldman Sachs, I think it's Golden, for spoofing. And those guys make plenty of money already. Why do you gotta do that? If you guys don't know what a spoof is, a spoof is when you place a big order and right before it's filled you remove it. And that makes the market go your direction. Usually it's done to go short, especially on gold, because they want to lower the price so they can take a physical delivery. Oh man, we could be in trouble here. We could be in trouble. I'm gonna move it right under a pivot right here, but I'm just adding more trouble. I should be getting out of this with minimum risk. Alright, we're gonna be negative. Alright. Oh, minis are starting to go long again. We may be saved by the bell here. So is crude. Okay. Oh, we're gonna get saved. We are going to be saved. Yes. Okay. Come on. So it's not always a correlation, but most of the time gold does follow the rest of the markets and makes no sense. I mean, it should be a haven when you're running away from something, right? It should be a hedging location, but it's not. Okay, here we go. Okay, NQ just made a higher high. What is the high of the day for NQ? 76.50. Okay, so it's just a higher high. So all of the markets, all the minis have closed their gap to the upside. YM just officially closed it. NQ closed it 10 minutes ago. I'm sorry, NQ closed it an hour. Is that an hour? No, 30 minutes. And ES about 10 minutes. Oh, here they come down again. Alright, this time we're probably gonna get taken out. Yeah, there'll be a wave C down. Okay, so market could be doing a wave 2 down. Let's see. And we're going to be taken out. I'll use this as wave 2. Alright, not looking good. We started out great. Oh, okay. No. Now we have a buying opportunity. Really nice here. Yeah, volume spiked. Yeah. Okay, if the minis keep going up, we could have a great. So, let's see here. Yeah, so one. Okay, so this could have been an impulsive wave because it just finished an ABC here. So corrected. So now we are back up. So this could actually be. Actually, it could be a wave 2. No. What am I seeing here? Yeah. No. No. We need a miracle here. But this could be a 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this could be A, B, C. No, it would be an A, B, A, B, C, and up. Okay, so this could have been a motive wave, corrected, and now we're back up again. So this could actually be a wave 2. Yeah, so all right, if we clear 65.5, we're golden. So if we clear this, then we have some really nice, targets to the upside. So we have a target up here. If we're just doing a wave C, we have our targets. If we're just doing a wave C, but we could also be doing, let me fix this right here. We could also be doing a, hold on, I need to open this chart a little more. We could also be doing a wave 3, and that would go all the way up there. That would be first target of 3, and this would be golden ratio. That would be 61. All right, so we have correction at 50, 61. All right, I'm gonna move to closing the gap. All right, so these are our targets. Oh, you can't see, sorry. These are our targets. So if we're doing a wave C, it will stop here. Minimum C, maximum C, closing the gap, and then 50% retracement, 61 retracement, and that is obviously from a, all right, so actually I said it wrong. It's not a retracement. It will be actually an extension. Sorry about that. Extension. So the extension are these numbers right here. Okay? All right. Oh, trouble, trouble, trouble. The rest of the markets are trying to come down again. Come on, let's go. You know, let's close our own gap. So we did clear that, the pivot here, so we should be golden. It's just plain hard to get. And we are seeing some bulls come in volume wise on a market profile bell. We are totally sideways, almost a carbon copy of yesterday on the bell, but we have some deep valleys that need to be filled, and that is from 66 all the way to 71. We are past point of control, but there's a really strong point of control from the 23rd at 68.4, and that is right at the first target of C. So those usually are magnet areas that a market is naturally attracted to. All right. Here we go. Come on. All right. Do your own thing. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Keep going. Keep going. Let's close this gap. Come on. Okay, so as soon as it gets close to first target, all right, already clicked on my stop and I'm ready to drop it. Actually, we could drop it right here. We could drop it right there. Let me plot a wave 2 from so wave 2 would be right here, from right here. So we are safe where our stop is. If it starts to come down now, we're safe. If it goes to target 1, we're even safer because 2 is going to be a little higher. I just plotted it from this last bar here. Alright, we're starting to make our money back. Alright, seeing a little correction. Let me see on the 1 minute if it reached target. It did not reach target. Here we go. This is good. Here we go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Go, go, go. New high. Come on. Go. There it is. Okay, still hasn't reached target. It could do a little correction here, but bulls are back again. Let me see if there's any news. So there's no major reports today, so there's nothing that we need to worry about that. Pope accepts resignation of Cardinal linked financial scandal. Oh, come on. The Vatican stealing money? No, I don't believe it. Oh, God. Yeah, there's nothing big. Okay, here we are. Did it reach target? Nope. Alright, it's stalling here and this is not good. Unless we're going to see a big spike up. Boom. Okay, so it could have reached target and it got rejected. This could be a sign to get out. This could be a sign to get out of Dodge. The rest of the markets are coming down again. Lots of volume on a sell on YMES and crude. Are we done here? Beautiful little 1, 2, 3 right here. Here we go. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We could have just finished a truncated 5. No. 4. No. Now a 4. Okay, maybe we just finished the wave 4. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. We're maximum 4, and now 5. So 5. It could finish right here, or it could finish above our first target. So this could be the end of 5. Smart money would get out now. If I raise stop, it could do an ABC down and take us out. So C would end right at entry. Alright, we are at the first target of C to the downside. Second target would be at 65.2. I would like to see a flat here, or maybe a small little triangle. I don't want to see a diagonal to the downside. That will take us out. Alright, we need a new higher high. Rest of the minis are going up. CL is trying. Okay, so everything is positive except for crude. So crude, silver, and gold are the only thing negative that I'm watching that is negative. But if you go to FinFizz and look at the futures heat map, it's 50-50 on commodities. But grains and stuff won't affect gold. So usually I don't watch a lot of those. I only watch wheat and soybeans, and soybeans is positive and wheat is negative. Okay, market is going sideways. This is good. Let's see here. So this is not a flat because it did not clear this right here, this pivot. Maybe we're doing a triangle. That would be awesome. Triangle, boom, explode to the upside. All right, we're going for almost 10 points here. That would be incredible. We would be at 1200, and then I will call it quits. If we hit target, I am done. Friday, maybe I'll go surfing. Should have went yesterday and I didn't. I got lazy. Yeah, there's some good waves right now. How big is it? 3 to 4. All right, come on, let's go. All right, here we go. Okay, ES is trying to go for a higher high. And Q just did a higher high. Is that a higher high? Where am I? Where am I? I'm here. Okay. Yeah, NQ did a higher high. ES was blocked from making a higher high. All right. We're going sideways. That's not bad. We need this pivot to be support. If it passes 61.1, we could be in trouble. Come on. So it's bouncing off of support right now. Seems like it's working. Yeah, we're seeing a bounce off of the E-minis also. So, oh yeah. Crude is going for new highs. All right, we corrective enough. Let's go up. Oh, okay. They just cleared our resistance, our support area. All right, I'm gonna move this down just so I could do a wave 2 from here. I don't want to get taken out as I'm plotting my numbers. Okay, wave 2 is right here, so I'm gonna move my stop right under there. All right, if it's not gonna go, it's not gonna go. So maybe we should have gotten out at target 1. It kept knocking. It didn't break the door down. Maybe this is it. Maybe I got greedy. I should have taken that and just looked for another long. So I'm writing an email here. Having some issues with my brokerage. How we're doing? Okay, we're seeing a bounce back. Good. Come on, let's go. Rest of the markets are dropping. Big selling opportunity on crude. Oh, I see a buying opportunity on ES. Correction. It looks like correction may have ended, or it's a wave, or a wave 2 just ended, so this could help us. All right, here we go. Come on. Oh, I also see a buying opportunity on YM. Maybe this is going to help us. Come on, ES, let's go. Yep. Should have taken that first target and we could have gone long again. Now here we are. No money in our pocket and we're waiting. Well, at least we have a short stop. If we get taken out, we'll still be up 100. Now it's looking more like a diagonal to the downside. So we need it. If it goes down to our entry, it has to pop back up, otherwise we're in trouble. Okay, this is good. So it needs to break out or do another little mini correction and break out. Minis are going up. All right. Still looking positive. All right, has to go up now. Ooh, and Q needs a new higher high, otherwise it could be a selling opportunity. I'm going to take a little chance right here and just lower one wick under a bar right here. All right, come on, let's go. Yeah, that C was definitely valid, huh? Oh, all right. We are maximum wave 2. It's got to bounce from here, otherwise we're in trouble. Alright, so NQ did go for higher highs, so is ES. YM hasn't yet. CL is stalling. Alright guys, I'm gonna take a little break here. I'll be right back. Ooh, here we go. Let's see. Just had a spike in volume. Oh, this could be excellent for us. Ooh, what happened here? I just lost my browser. Okay. This could be excellent for us. Okay. Okay, so it's looking okay, so it's looking like it's gonna go long again if it stays above 64.3. I'm gonna move my stop up. I'm done with this trade. But it looked like it could start. So 1, 2. So maybe we started a wave 1 from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 starts here, finish here, 5 starts here, and then 5 would finish here or here. Okay, I'm gonna take a chance and still go for gap closure. It could be a big mistake, but new target right there, and right here. So yeah, it could be, or it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, maybe that's it. Okay, so wave 1 starts here, wave 2 starts here, wave 3 starts here, wave 4 starts here, and wave 5 starts here, and it finishes here or here. Alright, I'm going to take a break. I'll be right back. There's got to be a way to block the video. All right, we're back. Going good. So you guys look at it 1 minute, it's trickling up. That's not good. I mean, it's going up, but it's better going up slow than not at all, right? But so new higher highs on all of the minis. Crude is following. So basically we're on a sideways market. That's what it is. Just plain sideways. But this is positive. We passed all of this, so that's good. And it did not get rejected, which is even better, right? If it got rejected, like it was rejected here, double top, boom, came all the way down. Did we take a few trades here? I think we did, didn't it? But it came all the way up. And it made a higher high, so that's good. Now we just need to make another higher high. Hopefully we'll not get rejected on these targets here, and we'll go all the way to target. I mean, we're negative 9.6. So if it goes to target, then it will be right under going positive. Hey, let's test that area. Let's test the market. Come on. So yeah, it definitely looks like a diagonal, right? Diagonal down, but we still have to clear it from up here. So no, we cleared it because this is a new pivot. Okay, so we are clear, but we need a strong move up now. So we need it to do a wave B and then up, or a wave 2 and then up. Alright, safe to say we can move this out of the way. Let's get this out of the way. There's no purpose for that anymore. We already have our targets. Well, I'm gonna leave this because this shows wave. Alright. Let me plot a wave 3. And let's put some targets up. Oops, wrong one. Okay. So all of these are all gone. So if we are on a wave 3, right? So 1, 2, 3 starts here. First target right there. So I'm off of that ABC. And the reason is that if it was just a regular ABC, market would have come down and taken us out, and it didn't. It stopped at wave 2, but we could still be on a wave C up. Wave C would end right here. All right. Okay, so these are the targets if we are on a wave 3. So wave 1 finishes here, wave 2 finishes here, the wave 3 finish here, here, or here. Those are the extensions. We just finished a wave 2 here. Now this trade is just not looking good. And this is why I mentioned that little trickle up. Anytime if you guys look at a 1 minute and you see little trickle of going up instead of big bars, that's weakness. That's weakness. No momentum. That's not good. But we could be done here. We could have just finished the wave 2. Let's hope. Actually, I passed a little bit of wave 2. So, alright, if we don't see a higher high now, we are in trouble. It could be a wave B. So wave, that could be a B, C, all the way down, takes us out. Alright, so we need to clear 68.4. Don't know if the market is being affected about that spoofing news, because it came out on the 23rd, I think, at the end of the day, I think, so we're on the second day of the news. All right, here we go, guys. Nice. Okay. Come on, let's go. Just hope it's not an ABC up, which would end right there. Remember? Ooh, is that a higher high? That was, but okay. Ooh. So we just reached target 1 of a C wave. Target 2 is at 70. We need to clear 70.9. If it clears that, it's going to our target. All right, finally they decided to here we go. Okay, so little rejection here. It hit target 2. It could be a good idea to get out. Let's plot a wave 2 down here, see if we can move our stop. Alright, I'm moving stop right there. So I'm going to plot a wave 2 for you guys if you want to figure out where you want to put your own stop. This is where I'm putting mine. Alright, I need to change something here. Helps my mouse. Oh yeah, that's what it was. It was my connection. Okay, we're golden. So maybe that battery is still good. Let me try that old battery. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. So we're golden. All right. Okay, let's see how it reacts here. It keeps hitting our targets and we're still not getting out. Is this a smart move? I don't know. This could also be a mini little wave 4, right? So inside of wave 3, it will do a 1, 2, 3. Let's plot a wave 4, see where it ends. And I think it's right on the money. Oh, I'm gonna, oh no, okay, I'm gonna leave this here and I'm gonna use this as a wave 4, okay? What color is 4? Orange. Okay, are we able to see that? Yes, okay. Let's plot a little wave 5. So 1 starts here, 2 starts there, 3 starts here, 4 starts here, and 5 starts here. So this whole area here would be target 1 for 5, target 2 for 5, and target 3 for 5 right there. Okay, so I'm gonna leave. So these are targets. So this is target 3 on the long journey up, right? So this is not good. So I don't think that this will happen, but there's a big chance that this will happen. Why? Because maximum 5 and target 1 of wave 3 are together, and we are close to gap. So what I see is one of those, it would reach here and then just spike up, boom, close gap and bounce back down. I've seen that many a times, and that's what we're going for. Minis are going back up again, except for crude. Crude is negative. All right, we're up 300 on this trade. Ooh, come on. I actually would like it to be a wave 2, not a wave 4. But if it is a wave 4, then it's actually okay. So that just pierced wave 4. But wave 4 is valid all the way to here, but it cannot be longer than 3. So right now it looks like it's at its maximum.
Stop fill.
Ah. All right, we have 310. We're positive 310. Bummer. Okay, not done with this. I'm going to take a long from here if it decides to go back up. Why does this keep happening? My cursor keeps going back to local instead of global. I should have lowered it, but it did reach target and we didn't get out, so it's my fault. Okay, everything is off, guys. All bets are off. That's gone. That's gone. All of that's gone. That's gone. Alright, we're back to 0 here. That's gone. I wouldn't take long till we pass this. But then it could be a wave 2 or a B up to come down. So a long has to be past 68.8. Or it could be that wave 1, right? Where was that wave 1 again? Wave 1. Wow. It's It's looking like a wave one. We completely forgot about that wave one. And that's where wave one is. Wow. Completely. So wave one, boom, two down. I'm going to take a short.
Order filled.
I'm going to take a short. Let's see where wave two would be. And we are right on the middle of two. This is the beginning of target of two. That's gone. Wow. So we completely forgot about wave one, and it hit wave one. So all of this was the ABC. We should have gone out, and we didn't. So all of this was a correction to make wave one, and now we're going for a wave two. Alright, it'll be nice if the E-minis drop. CL just did a lower low. Let's plot a little wave two right here, just so we can make sure our stop is safe. That's all we're doing, is just finding a safe location for our stop by plotting this. Wave two is right here, so we are not safe. So we're gonna have to add risk to our trade. Wave two, wave A finished. Wave B or two usually likes to finish halfway, but we are taking a chance. It could bounce off of 62.1, but usually likes to go halfway. Let's see what happens. Okay, rest of the market is dropping. YM's already negative. This could be a good thing for us. Alright, this time I'm not gonna lower our target. If we hit this, we'll be positive 600. I may call it a day. You want the reads to be natural and clear. It hasn't been, but I also could blame myself for not getting out of targets when targets were clearly hit. I was just looking for a big trade. I was dreaming instead of taking the money and running, which is what I do. I'm a scalper. That's the only problem with Elliott Wave, is that it gives you these long targets, and you wish and you hope that it goes to these long targets. But the market does what it wants. So sometimes it's just better to scalp, and this is why I have my ATMs with exit and targets already set, because we all dream, we all like to hit it out of the ballpark, home run. Okay, now it's starting to do that trickle to the downside, and this is because ES is having a hard time going negative. YM is trying to pull everything down, but it's stalling. Come on, here we go, here we go. Come on, big spike down, big spike down. Hit target, let's go. Okay, as soon as it hits the beginning of our target, I'm gonna hit that stop and drop it if I see any type of rejection. A correction right now wouldn't be so bad, because then it would definitely mean that wave C would be longer, or a wave 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way down. So here we go, correction. I'm just always safe. Now I'm gonna move one tick higher, just above a wick. That's it. Just one little tick higher. So what are we going for? I'll show you guys. So wave 1, wave 1 starts here. Okay, so this is all correction. So this is the beginning of 1 right here, coming down to 2. So wave 1 finishes somewhere here. 2, is that it? Hold on. Yeah. So this is where wave 1 ends. Wave 2 starts right here, finishes somewhere here. And wave 3, oh no, it's the opposite. It is the opposite. I'm seeing something else. It would be 3 to the upside. It would be 3 to the upside. 1, 2, 3 up. So it's not a wave 1. Yeah. Got confused for a second there. I'm human. I made a mistake. My bad. So it's wave 2 finishes here, and wave 3 up. So this is a bigger wave 3. Whoa. So this could actually reach our targets all the way up. Okay, so definitely be worried about hitting target here and not clearing. But if this is actually a wave 2, then it's gonna have some momentum and go halfway down. and then wave 3 is going to be huge. So overall, what we need to see is breaking out of the sideways market that we've been for the past 2 days, and this is counting with the overnight. So I'm talking about the actual bell. So we need to finish the day with we need to finish above 80.7. Is that it? Yep. So we need to hit this resistant area today. Would be nice if we go higher, but ending the day past 80, it would show that we are back on the trend going up. If we end the day past 50.7, then we are back on the negative, on the trend to the downside. Okay, all right, clicked on stop. Stop is ready to drop. It almost hit target. It was one tick away. It could be getting rejected. We are seeing the E-minis trying to go up. It could be over. I'm dropping my stop lower. It is what it is. We could be taken out on a little pullback here. We should actually be getting out with a profit instead of just lowering our stop. That's what smart money would do, and that's what I'm gonna do. It'll be a small profit, but hey, it'll be a profit. Come on, get me out. Get me out. I don't see signs of the E-minis coming down. Crude is going up. Come on, get me out, get me out. I'm gonna raise
Target filled.
All right, I'm out. I'm out. All right, we are 350. I'll look for another entry somewhere else. Wave 2 could have finished. I'm gonna go for a scalp from here.
Order submitted.
I'm only gonna go for 100, so 10 points. Yeah, I should be getting back to my 1-point scalps. We would have been up 800 bucks already. Instead, I'm looking for these long targets. Well, at least we're not negative. At least we're not negative. Hey, sometimes the best way to trade is to do the opposite of what I do. Right? Hey. Or do your own targets. Exit where you feel it's proper. Oh, here we go. It's coming down. Might have got out a little early, but hey, we made 30 bucks. 30 bucks more than we had. Looks like it's trying to come down again. Yeah, the only problem with getting back on the long, if it reaches target here, if it goes any lower, is where do we get back in? Because it could just be a wave B up to come down again. Excuse me. What time is it? 9 a.m. We've been trading for 2 hours and 15 minutes. So 62.2 could be hitting target. But see a little selling opportunity in the ES. But if it makes a new higher high, that is voided. I'm gonna lower my entry to this little pivot right here, which is right there. We breached that, then we could see another one. I'm just going for $100. Wow, no major block buys or sales. Market's been open for more than 2.5 hours. So I have my time in sales set to only show big buys and sells. So we'll only show 80 or more. No, I'm sorry. What is it? 50. So it's only showing, I have a size filter showing 50 or more. So yeah, you know, there have been tons of under 50. I don't see them, but I only count above 50 as a market mover or clearing trades. If you guys learned something, please hit like, subscribe, come trade with us. If you don't like the way I trade, come watch and do the exact opposite. You could be making money. All right, if we are gonna see it go lower, it just reached B area, wave B, right? So A, B, C coming down again. It looks like bears are back at it, so it may go lower. It could be a good opportunity to go for a quick 100 scalp here. I think I might do
Order
that.
canceled. Order
I'm
filled.
going for it. Going for it. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Go. Come on. Oh, no way. No freaking way. Oh. Oh my God. It hit. And it did not clear. Oh, come on. Alright, I'm going to raise it one tick. Bringing stop down.
Stop filled.
Oh. Alright, we lost commission. We lost commission. I'm going
Order
north.
submitted. Order filled.
I'm going north. Let's go. What a bummer, huh? We could have had a little 100 scalp right there. So, target was hit. Not a big one, but hey, it did hit. Let's do a wave C up. So wave C. First target right up here. I'm tempted to go for it, but I'm afraid of this wave 2 here. So these are wave. Oh, let me fix this right here. These two are wave C targets, and we're just gonna go for a wave. Man, market has not been able to go short any shorter, right? Oh man, I'm tempted again to go gap closure, showing that we are back on the uptrend. Oh, it could be a mistake again. Gonna lower my stop to one tick under the wick right here. Alright, so if this is just, let's go over this again. Alright, so if this is just a wave A, then B is here, and then C coming all the way down. And that would void this as wave 1 and this as wave B. I mean wave 2. But it could also be a B, C up, which would end right here. Okay? So to be sure, so the market will show us if we are correct, if we clear 68.4. If we clear 68.4, then we are either on a wave C up or a wave 3. Alright, let me color these right. Alright, so Navy is already there. I'm gonna make this one a navy also. So these are all wave C targets. If we are on a wave 3, it's gonna go all the way up there. It's gonna be a huge one. So wave 1 will start here, wave 2 here. It is huge. It's all the way up. That's first target. I'll fix it on your guys' screen in 1 second. I'm just doing on my major screen here, which is the one right in front of me. Whoa, that's big. Okay, all right, let me fix this here so we have clear vision. Okay, so let's go over this one more time so everybody's on the same page. So wave 1 starts here and it finishes here. Wave 2 starts here and it finishes here, or it could still come down more, but it did reach target, so it could be done. So we're actually taking a huge risk with having our stop so short. It should be at 57.2, but then it will put us in the negative, and we already been trading for 2 hours. I do not want to end in a negative. I don't mind losing 100 and something bucks here. We'll still be positive. We're wrong. We'll jump back in again. Okay, so let's finish our chain of thought here. So wave 1 finishes here, wave 2 finishes here, and then wave 3, first target right there, second target right there, third target all the way up here. If we're just doing an A, B, C, first target here, second target right there. This is resistance. This was support. Let me change this because now this is resistance. Oh, dark green. Should have done that before. That's resistance also. 97.4. 97.4. Okay. Alright, so now we're on the same page. So go and check those targets out real quick before I fix the chart. So we're a little larger here. Okay. Whoops. Okay, it's moving nicely. So we need to keep an eye on this here, because this could be just a wave A, B, C coming down. Where am I? Here we are. Okay. Oh, so it hit target. Hit target and it bounced back. I'm getting out. No messing around anymore.
Stop filled.
550 up. I'm gonna do a wave 2 to the downside, and if it corrects, I'll jump on it then, but I'm not gonna be messing around anymore. I'm taking profits. Okay, wave 2 is right here. Okay, so it could bounce all the way back here. I'm not buying until I should only buy above here. But if it doesn't pass 62.8 and it bounces off somewhere here, I may go long here again. But I want to see a full correction. I'll only go if I see a full correction. Otherwise, I'm only going to go long at 70.1. All right? Enough of the messing around and the dreaming here. All right, we're up 550. Profits that I call or losses, it's always before commission. Everybody has a different broker, so I will never call after commission. Okay, we're doing good. Hey, we're at 550. Can't beat that. With one contract. I should be trading more. I usually do, but this is a trading room to get people who don't do well, you know, and they should be trading one contract with a small account. So this is why I do this, because I could have been up already $1,500 with 3 contracts, right? So this is educational. This is to help out the small guy. And my way of making my big bucks is on options, and I do my Elliott wave and options, and that's how I make up for it. And this is why I'm okay with only trading one contract here, because my big bucks I make it with options. And on that note, I'm gonna check what my options are doing. Okay, here it is. It's bouncing. It hit target 2. So, is this going to be an ABC down? Or are we doing an ABC to go back up? And this is actually wave 2. And we're looking for wave 3. Okay, I'm going to put in my order to go long.
Order submitted.
Ninja does not let me put another order, otherwise I would put a short right here, and it doesn't let me. Right under this pivot here is a place to go short. If we pass this, then I'm going to be going short. Okay, so we are on a short if it clears 62.9. Okay, I'm doing good on my trades over here. Ooh, nice. Nice. Awesome. Looking good. Okay. Oops. Okay. Where are we? All right. Ooh, it could be reaching maximum here. We're probably gonna look for a short. Then I'm gonna cancel that long.
Order canceled.
Could always re-enter since, and I'm gonna go for a short.
Order submitted.
There it is. So it cleared that. All right. So this could actually be a a wave C to the downside. It could finish. I'm going to give myself a little more room because wave C could finish right here too. Let me plot that real quick. So wave C, or we could be on a wave 3. Okay. I'm going to go
Order
right now.
filled.
Right now. This is the first target of wave C right there. Second target is right here. But wave B cannot, it could also, we could still be on a wave 2. Come on, get me out, let's go, let's go. Ooh, not good, not good. Oh, I didn't want to see that. Whoops. That is not good. For a second, it looked like we're going to get hit, didn't it? So it did not hit target, bounced off. But I still see pressure to the downside. I'm still positive. It's still looking good. Still looking good. Come on. The bid is trying to lower. The ask is lowering with the bid. Ooh, the ask just went up. Come on, bid. There we go. Okay. Seems like the bid is trying to take over. Come on. Come on, bears. Let's go. Rest of the markets are dropping. Except for crude, it's trying to go up a little bit. Oh no, markets are going up. Minis are going up. Maybe my 10 point was short. So with gold, a lot of times when you're scalping, you don't have time to go and put an exit. So I use the ATM, automatic strategy. Maybe I should change that to 90. Maybe I should change it to 9 ticks. Maybe that 10 tick is not working. You got to always adapt to the market situation. Yep, I think I might have to change that. Looks like the bears are still in control. Come on, here we go. Come on. seeing a little bit of selling now. Come on, bears, let's go. Let's go. Come on, I don't believe that this is the end of wave 2. So we could still see A, B, C and wave 3 up. A, B, C, wave 3 up. Come on, here we go. Come on. So we could even actually lower. Let me draw this. Show you guys exactly what I mean. So this is target of C, which I'm plotting right now. Navy blue, where's my navy blue? Oh, that's not navy blue. So these are targets of C right inside of wave 2. Come on. Come on. If we hit target, which it looks like we're going to hit, if it hits target, I will not go in unless we pass 66.7. Keep going, keep going, keep going. That's it, that's it. Go, 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 go. Come on. Target filled, come on. Come on, target filled, go, go. Ah. Come on, target filled. Let's hear it. My favorite song. Target filled. There it is. There it is. It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit. Come on. Now. Now.
Target filled.
Yes! Okay. Woo! Alright. 650. Booyah. Okay. So now we need to figure out where we are. Still early in the game. Plenty of time left in this game. Look at that. Hitting our targets. Isn't that beauty? Okay, let's see how it reacts now. We could take a long right here too, right above this little pivot here, which would be a higher high. You know what? I'm gonna do that. Could be. So this is an advanced trade.
Order submitted.
And only doing this because I'm up 650. Only reason that this is being done. I'm going to give myself a little more room. Let me look at my 1 minute. I'm going to place it right above wicks. Right there. Okay, so going long is 63.2. If this is the end of wave C or wave 2. So wave 2 again is the only one that does an ABC. It does not do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or A, B, C, D, F. Alright, oh my god, yes! This could be golden. Buying opportunity on ES and NQ. Oh, I'm going long now.
Order filled.
I'm going long now. Gonna go for a smaller target, but I'm going long. Okay. So this could be just a small little trade, or it could be our. So what I mean by small trade, it could just be a correction to this, and it would go to resistance of this pivot. If it reaches this and then it corrects, I'll go long again to go and close the gap, or we can go and raise this to close the gap already. Hey, if we hit this another 5 points, we'll be over 1,000. I'll be very happy, and then I'm gonna end the day. Looking to close the day with 1,000. Alright, here we go. Actually, I'm going to lower it one tick, so let me draw this. Do I have this? Oh, so yes, I do. It's going to be resistance. Okay, so this is resistant area right here. So there's always a maximum resistant area too. So resistance is dark green. Okay, so these are the targets for. All right, I'm right there. All right, if it goes, if it takes us out, then we are going for a diagonal or a double zigzag to the downside, and if it takes us out, I'm done. I'm gonna end the day. So we need to see it pass 63.1. We see it past 63.1, we are golden. It just hit it and it bounced. That is not good. That is not good. We need to see it pass this pivot here, which was our entry area. Remember, guys? So we took it a little earlier, so if it goes our way, we're picking up an extra 40 bucks from where we should have been going long. So not an advanced trade. You want to be above the pivot. Advanced trade, we are under. All right, we need to see a higher high. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, we could be set to go. This could be an awesome trade. We'll watch for this pivot here. It could bounce off of here instead of going to resistance. I am not going to move the stop. It is where it is. It is solid. But I'm going to move the chart down if you guys want to go and check out these targets. I'll just go over these again. So these are target C's if we're doing an A, B, C up. And these are targets for wave 3 if this is a wave 3. Okay? So 86.5, 93.5, 1905, target C 71.9, 77.2. Now this could be turning into a wave 2 inside of a wave 3. If it takes us out, we are in a wave 3 going down, or a double zigzag. Remember, it hit wave 2 here, 1, 2. So right now, the only way that we are sure of what's going on is that it has to pass, has to make a new lower low that would show that it's a double zigzag or a wave 3, or a wave 3 inside of a 3, or clear 68.4, and that would show that this is not a wave 2. Thank you. My wife just brought me some coffee. Thank you. Oh, there we go. That's good. All right, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. E-minis are going up. All right, we need to see another higher high. We need to pass 63.9. We'll get out now. We're up 700. I should be getting out now. Long day to make 700 bucks. We've been trading for almost 3 hours. So we need to clear 64.1, which will end this wave 2, and it will signal that we are going up. So we gotta pass 64.1. If we are doing a little ABC or 1, 2, it has to start going up now. This is maximum right here. All right, I'm gonna raise my stop. I'm gonna raise my stop, and I'm gonna put my stop right under here. So if this is just an ABC, it's going back up. If we are doing a wave 3 inside of wave 3, maximum is at 61.6. Our stop is at 61.4. All right. We need to clear this yellow zone here. We need to see a 64.2. Here we go. Come on, keep going, keep going. First coffee of the day. Only have first one only. Only have 1 cup. I'm not a big coffee drinker. Alright guys, I need to listen to a message. Excuse me. Alright, sorry about that. Message from my daughter. Okay. How we're doing? So we cleared that. So that's a great sign. Okay, so now let's do a wave 2 down, because it looks like it's trying to come down a little bit. So let's do another wave 2, because this would be an actual wave 2. Whoops. Wave 2. Okay. So we could actually move our... Alright, let me clear this. It's not clear. We may be able to move our stop a little higher here. So this another great thing about Elliott waves. You could have places that you could put your stop. So we could move the stop to 61.7, but I'm gonna leave it here. I'm comfortable with leaving it here. Maybe I'll move 1 tick. 1 tick. That's it. But sorry, I need to listen to the All right, guys, I'm back. Okay, so how are we looking? Okay, we're looking good. ESs are trying to go long. Wow. Is it positive? Nope, but crude just did a higher high. So maybe we got help here. Okay, we're up to almost 800 already. All right, starting to get hot here. I'm gonna have to unbutton my shirt under my tie. Whew. Oh, no way, I just dropped coffee. Okay, I'm gonna have to go clean this up, guys. I'll be back. I'll be back. Man, all right, back. Best stain remover in the world is Wine Away. If you guys don't know, Wine Away is incredible. Use it on wine, use it on anything. Alright, we're back. But I'm gonna have a big old stain in the front till it dries. Okay. Alright, we're looking good here, guys. Woohoo! We are looking good. Solid. Okay, safe to say I could remove this wave 2 here, especially if it clears this right here. I'm gonna remove this, otherwise it's gonna be. Alright, I'm gonna put that on the side. Let's move our chart a little bit over, a little bit up, and we have our targets. Alright. All right. Come on, let's go. Could be a good idea to get out of here and just end the day. I'm tempted. But I have a good feeling about this trade. I am gonna monitor when it gets to this pivot here. It could bounce off of that. I'm gonna lower it one tick. Nothing annoys me more than hitting target not being filled or bouncing off one tick before. That is horrible. That pisses the hell out of me. I guess everybody, right? But yeah. All right. Friday. 3 days left on this month. We are way positive. Great month. All right, crude's trying to drop. The rest of the market's trying to, selling opportunity on NQ. We need to see a new higher high on NQ. And NQ just hit. No, it didn't just hit. Okay, it's making a comeback from piercing yesterday's high. And then it bounced off, and now it's trying to make a comeback again to make a higher high. And it's taking the rest of the markets with it. This could be good for us. I'm glad I opened my shirt here, otherwise I would have never seen my coffee spill. It looks like silver is also trying to go positive. Here we go. Okay. All right, we need to monitor this now. Okay. I clicked on target and I'm ready to drop it. We could see one of those big spikes up, and it could be over. And Q's still trying to go for that higher high. Oh, here it is. Come on, go, 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 go. It needs to clear a pivot, otherwise there's a selling opportunity. Oh, here it is, boys and girls. Here it is. What did I say about that spike? I had a feeling. I'm ready to drop it at 64.4. You know, I'm going to. 64.4 it is. I'll be very happy. I'll be very happy with 64.4. I'm gonna raise my stop to right here. Ooh, what happened? Spike up and then boom. Okay, so we are one tick under a wick. Come on, let's go, let's go. All right, we will be done if it hits our target. Actually, we're gonna be done anyways because I'm gonna raise my stop. Let me figure out where the new wave 2 is. Oh, come on, baby, go, go, go. So we are inside of wave 2. So come on, go, 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 go. I'm ready to end this day and start my weekend. Nothing like starting the weekend with money in your pocket. Sushi time. Alright, we've been broadcasting and trading for 3 hours and 6 minutes. Oh, Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hit it, hit it. Okay, bid is rising. The bid is rising. Go, go. There it is. Come on, bid. Oh. I have a feeling it's going to do a spike up and take us out. Boom. Right at target. Hit like, hit subscribe. If you're learning something, we have a donation tab on our banner on the main page. I am trading less targets, contracts, to be able to do this. So if you like to make a donation, please do. All right, I appreciate the support. Because YouTube is not paying us. You only get paid if you have over, what is it, 5,000 subscribers? I think it's some huge number. So most of the guys that have a lot of subscribers and they say they're trading, they're not trading. They're making money off of YouTube. There's a lot of guys out there that just talk a lot and they don't show anything. I don't see one guy actually showing trades. If there is one, please put the link. I want to go watch him. So far everybody just says, oh, support, resistance, this and that, but I don't see them showing money, showing trades. Okay, did NQ go for that higher high? It just touched it. It just touched it. Man, I'm tempted to get out right here. I am tempted to get out right here. Seems like, oh no, bulls are back. It's a fight between the bulls and bears right now in a volume chart. Oh, bulls are back. Bulls are back. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. I have a feeling it's going to be a big spike up. Boom. Alright guys, I'm gonna move my stop up, and if we get taken out, it is what it is. That's it. I'm done. I'm done. We'll be up close to 700. It's fine by me. I'm ready to start my Friday. Here it is. It's gonna take us out. Alright. Thank you everyone. It was awesome. Another positive day. Oh, there it is. We are out. Oh no. Oh, the bid is rising. The bid is rising. No, it's dropping again. Alright, it's going to take us out. So it's looking for a correction here. There it is. We're out. Wow. The bears are not letting this go. We're fighting hard, but Bulls are taking over. All right, I'm getting out right here.
Stop filled.
Boom, that's it. 910 bucks. I'm very happy. Can't complain. Thank you everybody for watching. Please click on like, subscribe, come trade with us. We are doing we're starting at, oh look at that, it dropped. Boom. Good exit. We have changed our trading hours. We're gonna wait until the noise is over, so we'll start broadcasting either 15 minutes after the bell or 20 minutes after. Okay, just trying to get some of that noise out, because whoops, market is not, what the hell is that? I have no idea what that is. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a great weekend.